So it's a super chilly morning this morning. It's May 20th here in western Pennsylvania. And today's agenda consists of grinding out a bunch of these roots that I have in my yard. And I'm also going to try to grind out a couple of stumps as well. So the reason I wanted to make this video is just to show people that you can actually grind these stumps out yourself. They rent stump grinders. They're not that hard to operate. And it'll cost you about $300 or $400, depending on if you need a trailer to transport the stump grinder. So the first thing I do is make it worth my while. So all these flags are places where trees once existed. I cut them down years ago and went and ground what I thought was all of the stumps, and every now and then a little root pops up. I'll use white flags to mark wherever I need to grind things out in the lawn, but whenever I'm out in the woods, I'll just leave the stump up like this, and then I'll have my chainsaw with me, and whenever I get ready to grind out the stump, I'll just cut the stump off, and then I'll have just a little bit to grind below the surface. But this at least serves as a good marker. So I have everything marked out, so I know what I need done. And I made my reservation last week, so all that should be set up at the rental place. And so right now I'm gonna go get some gas, make sure I have plenty of gas on hand, because I'm gonna rent this for 24 hours, but most places only let you use it for 8 hours, so they watch their hour meter. And so you really wanna have all your ducks in a row, make sure you're ready to go so you don't waste any time. So I just made a stop over at my friend's house and ground out a couple of his stumps. He's going to split the cost of the rental with me, and that's generally how I kind of make this affordable for myself too, because I like to rent this thing every so often, and so I try to find somebody else that needs a couple stumps ground out and then split the cost with them. If you go to rent one of these, ask as many questions as you need to. Maybe how to hook up the trailer, how to strap this down, have them actually start the stump grinder. Make sure that there's gas in it, make sure you know how to put gas in it. Anything that you feel uncomfortable with, just make sure you ask as many questions as possible. I always rent this big machine because it drives itself, and it'll get way down below the soil, where there's another one that looks like it has like a circular saw blade on it, and it doesn't do as well. This one's pretty simple. There's your choke, and you start up just like a car. These are, if you ever played Atari, I guess it'd be similar to this. Pretty simple. And this is your forward and backward. Just drive it like a little tank. And before you return the equipment, make sure you clean it up pretty well, because a lot of places will charge you if you bring the equipment back really dirty. And also, don't do any maintenance on any of their equipment. They have their own maintenance programs, and a lot of the greases and stuff aren't compatible. And so maybe if you have a grease gun in your garage and you go start pumping grease into somewhere, it may not be compatible with the grease that they use in their equipment.